keerame sootuks uue lehekülje ja tõuseme nii-öelda uuele tasandile. Ja mul on hea meel öelda, et see siin on maailma parim diislikütus. Uskuge mind või mitte, ja selle kütuse nimi on Pro Diesel.
Pro Diesel is the first diesel in the world that meets the highest specifications of the worldwide fuel charter set by the automotive industry. It specifies how the fuel should look like if a car could choose. Pro Diesel reduces the fuel consumption up to 5%. And it also improves the efficiency and overall vehicle performance.
Tänaseks peaks olema vähemalt 4 jaama täna õhtuks Pro Dieseli nii-öelda valmisolekuga. Ja kuu jooksul on siis Pro Diesel saadaval nii-öelda 20 jaamas.
In practice, with Pro Diesel, we can make a sustainable choice for cleaner fuels and for cleaner environment already today.